So guys, you can see it, but more solving video has been came on the channel. So in today's video, we are solving our 600 question by the name of non-negative integers without consecutive ones. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and this is a hard one question which we are solving in today's video. And in today's video, we are this some of the topics are also has been included by the name of dynamic programming. Only one topic has been included in today's solving video by the name of dynamic programming, and we are solving today's question we are solving in Python 3. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the notification bell also, so you know these type of videos on this channel. And if you do not access my WhatsApp channel till now, so go and access it and follow me on my WhatsApp channel. And I have also created a LinkedIn, and I have you follow my LinkedIn also, so LinkedIn profile link is in my description, so go and view it. But anyways, let's start in today's video, and let's start with our 600 questions. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start with today's video, and in today's video we are solving question number 600 by the name of non-negative integers without consecutive ones. Okay, so let's start with today's video. Let's start to solve today's solving question. And in today's video we are solving this question, and it's a hard one question which we are solving, and there are some of the topics are also being created by the name of like dynamic programming. Okay, so first of all, we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say to us, then we start to solve it in the LeetCode website. Now it has given me one positive integer by the name of n. Okay, and we want to return the number of integers in the range 0, n whose binary representations do not contain consecutive ones. Please highlighted this do not. Okay, now it has been giving me a first of all example 1. There are 3 cases it has been given me, and I hope you understand the question. It has been giving me one positive integer by the name of n, and what is our task in today's video? We want to return the number of the integers in the range 0, n whose binary representations do not contain consecutive ones. Okay, this is our task. Now it has been given me a 3 cases. If you see the first case, here he created a one integer variable by the name of integer n by the name of n, in which he wrote in on 5, and the output is becoming 5. Why? Because here are the non-negative integers, means less than equals to 5, with their corresponding binary representations like 0 semicolon 0, 1 semicolon 1, 2 semicolon 10, 3 semicolon 11, 4 semicolon 108, and 5 semicolon 101. Among them, only 3 integers disobey the rule, 2 consecutive ones, and other five are satisfy the rule. So that's why the output is becoming 5. Okay. So now if you see the case 2, here he created a integer variable in which he wrote in down n. Okay, and in which he wrote in the, and the output is becoming 2. Okay, if you see the case 3, here he created one integer by the name of n, in which the input is 2 and the output is becoming 3. And there some of the constraints, it having only one constraint it having given you. If you want to view it, so view it. Okay, so now I hope you understand in both cases. We want to return the number of integers in the range 0, n whose binary representations do not contain consecutive ones. Okay, so I hope you understand it. But anyways, let's come out of Google Chrome and let's understand it. Now it has given me a total. Now let's try to solve this question. In total 1,11,000 people have submitted it, and only 44,000 has been accepted. Okay, and this is a hard one question which we are solving in today's video. So let's start to solve it in the Python 3. And till now, if you do not access my Python profile, LinkedIn profile, so go and access this my LinkedIn profile. So go and view my LinkedIn profile, and I post daily. I will be post here. Okay, so you will be contact me and message me. Here you can see daily I will be post here. Okay, if you see here daily I am be posting my video, why my video has been not come, and here I will be also give you my WhatsApp channel link. Okay, so here you can see it. You can also be click here, and then directly you can join my channel. Okay, here you can see it like this. So now anyways, let's try to solve this question. So first of all, we want to do it. First of all, we define a class of a solution here. And first of all, let me define a class of a solution. Then we define def keyword, in which I define find integers size comma and int minus greater than int. Then define f, which stores the Fibonacci numbers. Okay, here now that this our f is storing the Fibonacci numbers, this f. Okay, then define a for loop I in range 2 comma 30, then semicolon. F dot append f I minus and plus f minus 2. Perfect. Now when we do this all the things, so now we define a comment. Last scene tells us if there was one right before. Okay, and then here I define if that is the case, comma, we are done then and there, and then ans is the answer. Perfect. And now what we want to do it in the last when we submit this code, then I will be understand you what we have written down here. Okay, then I will be explaining you all the code one by one. Okay, so now what we gonna do now, here define only one semicolon. Okay, and define here 0 comma 0. Define for loop I in range, sorry not range, reverse range 30 semicolon if one semicolon I and n is the ith bit set. Ans, okay, ans plus equals to fi. If last seen, then ans minus equals to 1. Perfect. Define break statement. Last seen equals to 1, else semicolon enter. Perfect. Define here last seen and then return here ans plus 1. Perfect. Now what we go doing today in this solving, first of all in this line here in this f here I stored the Fibonacci numbers, and then here we last seen here, this last scene tells us if there was one right before, then if that is the case, then we are done then and there. Ans is the answer. Okay, this ans is the answer. Now last thing is to run this code. So let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so let's see the running code has been accepted or not. So when I run this code, so the running code has been accepted. In the case when our expected output is 5 and my also output coming 5. In the case that the expected output is 2 and my also output has been 2, and the case that the expected output is 3 and my also output has been coming 3. So now last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code has been also be accepted. Here you can see it, and I beat 100% people. So let me paste the solution. Easy solution beats 100%. For more explanation, visit Rayyan. And then here I am coming under Google fire emoji, and here it has been give you the fire emoji also. So let's copy it, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Perfect. Now the last thing is to post the solution. So I have posted. So here is in today's video we solve our 600 question, hard one question. Okay, in today's video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, it is telling me title is too long. So let's see. Okay, now let me post it. So in today's video we solve 600 question, hard one question. So I hope you enjoyed the video. By the name of non-negative integers without consecutive one. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and all the notification bell also, so never miss about these type of videos on this channel. So now if you do not view my profile, so go and view my profile also. So go and fastly view my profile. Okay, here is my profile. So now, but anyways, let's meet in the next video and next very amazing video like that type of. So for today, goodbye.